I'm going to show you how I start building my analog timing beautified with Arduino. First of all, I condemned. It's a condemned watch. You see that it's a condemned watch. So I pull out the watch. I pull out this. To do this. So I pulled this from here. So I printed this paper I see at the back here. So to make my design, then I pull this clock system from this place, and this at the back I place it there with a chargeable battery. Then I construct this frame holder to make it stand, look good. Then I make this plastic box myself to hold this. It is actually working now. So I want to put some little mechanism and some deco light. So here is my breadboard with 3 LED light. Then here is my Arduino microcontroller to display some card informations programmed already. And here is my constructed power bank, and that is to supply this Arduino and the LED light power. Apparently now you can see some connection that I've run there. Like guys, you can see this place. This one is the power bank module. This one is the battery around serially connected to the positive and negative of the power bank module. Then here you see I run some wire here on the LED of the power bank module to the positive and negative. So probably I wanted to tap 3 volts from that place to power this LED here. So I'm going to show you how it works. First of all, let me start running the connection. So you see, so though I've run the wire, as you can see, and I just need to cover it, and you see. So let me just do the connection and see. So finally we got a full project. So I linked the 3 volt from the to the breadboard on the positive and negative side to power in the RGB lamp. Then at the back here you can see you have some working mechanism here. You see I have my LED display showing the analog digital clock by Alex Raji. You can see that. Then you turn it over. I like my Arduino microcontroller here, back here. I got my 5 volt power supply to my laptop. You can see how it goes, and it's working perfectly now. Here we have a very cool digital clock, and it's lovely. Thank you so much.